Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Hello students, in this chapter last class we study about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration and all. So today's topic, in this topic we will learn about measurements. So in our day-to-day life we are using different types of measurements. For example, I wrote here some measurements: centimeter, meter, kilometer, like and all. So we are using kilogram, gram, liter, milliliter, like this and all. So in this chapter, in this topic, we will learn about this. So just I will take one example. If I ask what is the length of this matchbox, if I ask, you can measure this and 4.5 centimeter. What is the width of? So 1 centimeter. Next, if I ask what is the length of this candle, so we will measure like this. It is length is 10 centimeter. So what is the length of this pencil? So it is 12.5 centimeter. So what is the height of this sharpener? So it is 1 centimeter. Like this, if we are measuring the small things, okay, small things, we are using millimeter or we can use the centimeter. Millimeter, what is millimeter? See here, I will zoom the camera and I will show you clearly. Children, see carefully here. Here small lines are there here in between. Okay, so these lines are called, each line is called mm, means the length of 1 mm to next mm is here. Is it clear? So it is 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means it is called 1 centimeter. Up to here it is called 1 centimeter. You can take your scale and observe it after this video. So this is your scale. So here these are called mm, means one line to one small line to another line is called mm. So here 0 from 0 to 1 it is called 1 centimeter. Means in 1 centimeter how many mm's are there? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means in 1 centimeter 10 millimeters are there. Millimeters we can write this in shortcut mm. Is it clear? Okay. So 10 mm, 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters are equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. If I ask how many millimeters are there in 2 centimeter, how many millimeter dash mm's are there in 4 centimeter? If I ask like this question, you can write easily. You know 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so here asking 4 centimeter. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Means 4 centimeter is equal to 40 millimeters. Like this you have to find out the measurement. So here next 100 centimeters, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter or 1000 millimeters are equal to 1 meter. When you go to market, if you want to purchase the cloths, you will ask in the meter. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay, next. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. If we are measuring the distance from one town to another town, or one city to another city, or one village to another village, what is the distance between the Hubli and Gadag? We should say this measurement in kilometers. It is 56 kilometer or 50 kilometers, like this. So we are using the millimeter and centimeters for small things. We have to measure with the help of these two. Next, little bit we go to next step, cloths. Okay, what is the length of electrical pipe? Like this we are going to meter. Next, the difference between the one city to another city, one village to another village, in that time we are using the kilometers. So these are the some measurements. Now next go to kilogram and grams. Okay, next one more measurement. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram, and 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. It is called in shortly kg. When you go to provision store to buy a sugar or salt, whatever it is, you should take these items in kilogram. That is called kg. Okay, so now 1 kg means 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. If I ask 4 kg is equal to dash grams, in that time you have to calculate this 4 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, you know. So 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 grams is equal to 4000. Okay, means in 4 kg 4000 grams are there. In 5 kg, okay, good, 5000 grams are there. In 9 kg 9000 grams are there. Like this you have to convert the table. Kilogram, it is short form is kg. 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So next, like that only, when we taking the oil or milk, the liquid things we have to measure in, or you can see in petrol bunk also. Okay, we have to take the petrol in liters. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 2 liter is equal to dash milliliters. So 2000 milliliters. 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. So milliliter is short form of this ml, milliliter. Just you check out, when you brought the milk packet, on this they wrote 500 ml or 1000 ml. Just check out. So ml means milliliter. Is it clear, children? Now next, please take down the assignments, sums. You have to convert the measurements.